Welcome. If you want your Instagram videos to look crisp, clear, and professional, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to enable high-quality video uploads on Instagram so your content always looks its best. Let's get started. First, open up your Instagram app on your phone. Once you're in, tap the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. This will take you to your personal profile page. Next, look for the three lines, sometimes called the hamburger menu, at the top right corner of your profile. Tap on those three lines to open up the menu. From here, select Settings and Privacy. This is where you can customize how Instagram works for you, including how your videos are uploaded. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Data Usage and Media Quality. Tap on this option. This is where Instagram hides the settings that control your upload quality. Inside this menu, you'll see an option called High Quality Uploads. By default, this might be turned off to save data, but if you want your videos to shine, you'll want to enable it. Simply tap the switch to turn on high quality uploads. That's it. With this setting enabled, every video you upload to Instagram will be sent in the highest quality possible. Keep in mind, uploading high-quality videos may use more data and take a bit longer, so it's a good idea to use a strong Wi-Fi connection whenever possible. Now your followers will see your videos as you intended, sharp, vibrant, and full of detail. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who want to level up their Instagram game. Thanks for watching, and enjoy sharing your stunning videos.